And good evening. You may be one of the many people breathing a sigh of relief this week. All people 16 and older in Wisconsin are now eligible for a COVID-19 vaccine.
But you might also feel some frustration trying to lock down an appointment for the shot. Madeline O'Neill nails down everything you need to know, from finding open times to what to expect once you arrive. Maddie?
Well, searching for an appointment can be intimidating. There are so many places to start that you might not know where to begin. So we wanted to put all things in one place, from finding the appointment to finally booking it. While many of us are answering the call to get vaccinated.
Thank you for calling Group Health Cooperative. This is Stacy.
Stacy Knott is behind the scenes, taking our calls.
Are you calling to schedule a COVID vaccine?
Sometimes more than 100 in a single day.
8 hours a day on the phones. What is your date of birth, please?
The reception team supervisor at Group Health Cooperative expects scheduling to get even busier.
Because it increases every time a group becomes eligible. Okay.
When getting shots in arms is just the tip of the iceberg.
Planning day to day on what schedules are going to be open, how far out are we going to schedule, how much vaccine did we get.
Just like being eligible is only the start.
There is a lot of demand for vaccine yet, especially here in Dane County.
Wherever you're looking to book an appointment, UW Health's Dr. Jeff Potoff suggests you use online portals when possible, though it's likely appointments won't be available.
Don't be afraid to check back later. Lots of times things change over the course of a few days.
When deciding where to get booked, it's easy to get overwhelmed. The Wisconsin Department of Health Services has a webpage mapping out every vaccination option.
That might be a more efficient way to figure out, who's vaccinating around you, how far would you have to travel, and kind of really make that ring around where you live and how far you're willing to go.
It is frustrating.
Bob Orick is willing to go the extra mile to offer a helping hand virtually.
We made a lot of assumptions that this would be easy, like, oh, the shot's here, let's go. Yeah, it doesn't turn out that way.
He's the creator of the Wisconsin Vaccine Hunters and Angels Facebook group we've introduced you to before. A sort of crowdsourcing for any and all vaccine information, alerting you when providers drop appointments and offering tips on booking.
It's that one-stop shop.
With thousands of members arming you with knowledge you might not get from a provider's website.
What shot they're supposed to have. What does it look like from a line standpoint? Do I have to wait a long time? Is there accessibility for, my grandma?
Since the group has blown up, Orick has had conversations with DHS and the governor's office. He's also hearing from doctors and healthcare providers.
They're asking us to kind of help guide them as well and their patients.
If there's one thing we've learned from the pandemic, that's how much we need each other.
Do not try to do this on your own if you're intimidated.
Whether it's a stranger over the internet.
Are you ready?
Or on the other end of a phone call.
I have had so many people crying on the phone and such a joyous conversation with them. I would say just be patient. Have a great day. We'll get you vaccinated. Thank you. Bye-bye.
A few more things that can help. Many providers have online wait lists or interest forms you can fill out. GHC recommends you do that before calling. SSM Health also has a new scheduling portal up as well. Now, when scheduling at, say, a pharmacy like Walgreens or Walmart, make sure you have an account already set up so that doesn't slow you down once you do find an appointment. And finally, you're able to turn on notifications for the Wisconsin Vaccine Hunters and Angels Facebook group once you're a member. So that'll make you able to see posts right away, letting you know where appointments are. Now we have all of that and more on our website.